Welcome to How to Learn channel, and today in this short video I am going to tell you about a secret trick of Bitly. This is very useful trick. Most of them are don't aware about this trick. So in this video I am going to tell you about this only. So if you want to search any page on Instagram or Facebook or any other social media platform, then you just visit this page. Now you can see there 22.1k followers. Now if you want to know how many active users are there, means how many are clicking on this link, so you have to simply select this link and paste it on another tab and click plus sign at the end of this link. So after that, putting the plus sign, you have to click on enter. Now it will give you the details that this link was created on 3rd Jan 2018 at 5 p.m. and this link is affiliated by Clickbank.com and they are making money through this link. Now you can see here there are 22k followers approx and 14,000 clicks are generated. So you can see here per month wise clicks, January, February, March. Till March there are 1468 clicks. Now if you think this, if 1468 people click and at least 10, 15, 20% buy their product, then per product their sale is around $30. Then you can think that they are earning how much dollars. So this is the best way to find out if the Instagram page is really worth it or not. And if you want to promote, you can send a message to them and ask them to put your affiliate link into the description here, so that you can also generate some sales and you can give them to commission. Now you can see here 42.7k followers are there and their only traffic of 6,226. This is also affiliated by Clickbank. So this page is not really active according to approx 43k followers and only 6,000 clicks are there. You can see here in the week of March only 155 clicks, 308 clicks, 202 clicks. So you have to find out these types of pages, those who are active, and send them a message to collaborate and put their links and put your links into their links and give them commission. Now you can see here 289 followers are there and there is only 57 clicks. Now you can estimate this is average, but the clicks are very less, 2 clicks, 1 clicks, 1 clicks. So this is also an affiliated link of Clickbank. So you can find out this all those stuff here and accordingly promote and find out the page that are worth it to promote there. So hope you are really going to like this video, I am sure about it, and do hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos like this. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.